So now in this video we see some practical applications of medical devices with the help of integrative diagnostic systems. Medical devices are essential tools used to diagnose, monitor, treat and improve patient health. They play a vital role in a modern healthcare. First role is a diagnostic devices. First devices is electrocardiogram. ECG records the electrical activity of the heart to detect arrhythmias, heart attacks. Next device, pulse oximeter, measures oxygen saturation in the blood non-invasively. Next one is the imaging devices, X-rays, CT scans, and MRI. Provide detailed internal images to diagnose fractures, tumors, brain disorders. Ultrasound uses sound waves to visualize organs and fetal development. Blood glucose meters for monitoring blood sugar levels in diabetic patients. Next role, therapeutic devices, in which therapeutic pacemaker, ventilators, dialysis machines, infusion pumps, insulin pumps, and defibrillators. Pacemaker regulate heartbeats in a patients with arrhythmias. Ventilator support or replace breathing in a patient with respiratory failure. Dialysis machine filter blood in patients with a kidney failure. Infusion pumps deliver precise dose of medication, fluids, or nutrients intravenously. Insulin pumps provide continuous insulin delivery for diabetes management. Defibrillators deliver electric shocks to restore normal heart rhythm during cardiac arrest. Next, monitoring devices. These devices always monitors Holter monitors, continuous glucose monitors, variable fitness trackers, and blood pressure monitors. In Holter monitors, portable ECG devices on for 24 to 48 hours to detect intermittent cardiac issues. Continuous glucose monitors track blood sugar levels in real time. A variable fitness tracker monitor heart rate, physical activity, and sleep patterns. Blood pressure monitors track hypertension and cardiovascular health. Next, surgical and minimally invasive devices. Endoscopes, robotic surgery systems, laser surgical devices. Endoscope visualize internal organs and perform minor surgeries through small incisions. Robotic surgery systems enhance precision, reduce trauma, and speed recovery. Laser surgical devices used for eye surgery, tumor removal, and skin treatment. Uh, Rehabilitation devices, prosthetics, orthotic devices, hearing aids, and cochlear implants. Prosthetics, artificial limbs that restore mobility and function. Orthotic devices support or correct mucoskeletal deformities, hearing aids, and cochlear implants. Improve hearing in individuals with hearing loss. Next one is other practical applications, diagnostic kits, thermometry devices, and nebulizers. In diagnostic kits, rapid test for infections, example COVID-19 antigen test. Thermometry devices measures body temperature using infrared or digital thermometers. Nebulizers deliver medication in moist form of respiratory diseases like asthma. So guys, these are the some applications of a medical devices. Now we see ethical and regulatory considerations in medical devices. First on patient safety is the top priority in the design and use of medical devices. Devices must be effective and provide clear health benefits. Informed consent means patients should be fully informed about device use, risk, and alternatives. Privacy and confidentiality protect patient data collected by medical devices. Equitable access ensure fair distribution of devices across different populations. Risk benefit analysis devices should have benefit that outweigh potential risk. Transparency manufacturers must disclose device information clearly and honestly. Post market surveillance continuous monitoring of a device performance after approval. Adverse event reporting, prompt reporting of any device related complications. Regulatory approval, device must pass through regulatory bodies like FDA, CE before market. Quality management systems, Manufacturer must follow standards. Example, International Standardization of Organization means ISO 13485 standard to ensure quality of a product. Clinical trials required to prove safety and efficacy before device approval. Ethical use of data. Use of patient data for research must respect privacy and consent. Conflict of interest. Avoid situations where financial interest bias device development or recommendations. Device labeling. Clear instructions and warnings must accompany the device. Training. Healthcare providers should be adequately trained to use device safely. Environmental impact. Consider disposable and environmental effects of a devices. Recall procedures. Effective mechanisms to withdraw faulty or dangerous devices from the market. Intellectual property rights. Balance innovation, incentives with public access. Global harmonization. International cooperation on device regulations to ensure safety worldwide. These are the some regulatory considerations of medical devices.